My name's Emily Higgins, and I'm a scientist working with Reef Life Foundation to evaluate the coral reef communities that are growing on the IntelliReefs that we've had underwater in Sint Maarten. Artificial reefs are a quick solution to build back that three-dimensional complexity that we've lost that would otherwise take decades to up to 100 years to reconstruct with just natural processes alone.
My name's Ian Kellett. I'm an underwater filmmaker, explorer, scientist. We have the IntelliReefs in the water for a year, so we brought down scientists and people who have lots of experience looking at man-made structures underwater and assessing whether this material is better than any other material. And what we found is it's covered in life.
So the business is Random Wind Charters. We are the support vessel for IntelliReef and for the Nature Foundation. IntelliReefs are great because you can place these where you want them, and they're growing corals so much faster than whatever else is in the sea. So a boat sinks and 20 years later it's full of coral. You put this stuff down a year and a half later and it's got life. It's got fish and coral. It's incredible. We're super excited about it, and we hope our government steps up and gets a whole lot of it.
So here we are. We just dove on the IntelliReefs after a year plus being in the water, and there were 6 different recruits from a wild spawning event that landed and started to grow on the IntelliReef.
Our livelihood is based on people wanting to come here, and most of the people that work here either grew up here or have lived here the majority of their lives, so they've been able to see the difference in how the environment used to be in comparison to how it is now, and they're really passionate about preserving what we've got and trying to make it a little bit better.
We've just done phase 1 of an experiment. We've learned a lot. We've learned that we can invite wild coral to land and recruit on there. We've learned that the diversity is incredible. So much more to learn. There's so many different ways we can iterate this forward.
If we don't take the conservation and the building up of our reefs, if we don't take part in that, we will have nothing to show our tourists. It'll be gone. The fish won't come, the corals won't grow. It's so important. It's important that we're all a part of the conservation and the bringing back of the sea life.